Hi guys, hi girls, hope you're well. Thank you very much for coming into my site and having a look at it. Please follow the videos. I have done some videos below this landing page so you can understand the concept of the business. And the company is going to give you $100 bonus, and they're going to leverage your account. So basically what you need to do, you need to pay $150 to get started. The company will pay you $100 as a bonus, plus they will give you $4,800 leverage. So basically if you add those up together, it's $6,000 you'll get, which the company will leverage for you. And you get paid daily, okay, 5 days a week, because what it is, it's Forex trading, okay. So you basically, we're copy trading, okay. They're doing all the work for us, okay, and all we're doing is either building teams, or you don't have to build teams, you can just be a passive income earner. Please watch the video to the end, and thank you very much for joining me, and let's make some income together. Right, so basically guys, the company is going to give you a big bonus. The first $150 you pay into your deposit, you will receive $100 back, times it by 24, so which equals $6,000 trading leverage. So basically the company will trade for $6,000 with your bonuses every day, 5 days a week, because obviously this is Forex, okay. And your results is roughly 26 to 30%, roughly, approximately, per month, okay. Right, this is my site, okay, so please get used to this, because it's very, very important that you go through all the videos and how to set this up. Please bookmark this page, it's very, very important, okay. If you scroll down, okay, there's all the insurance information, and you click these buttons here, you'll be brought to the proof of the insurance, and also proof of the company being Financial Services Commission, in other words regulated. It's very important that you click on these just to kind of double check. And if you want to know the results per day, there's a little button here you can click, okay, and it tells you every day. It will tell you the actual percentages that Tagmark hits and JetUp's doing per day, okay. So you'll all, you will know everything about what's happening. Very important, watch this video. It's about the insurance, the proof, okay, so please watch that. The company is regulated, okay. If you scroll down, that's me, Matt Feast. There's all my contact details here, okay. You contact me on Telegram, my email, and also friend me on Facebook. And when you do start, please go through these steps. Step 1, you click on here, and they'll bring you to the JetUp hub, okay. That's the first thing you need to do, okay. Step 1, you take action. Step 2, please watch this video. It tells you about the business and how the business is performing, okay, and what the business is really about. And step 3, how to set this all up, okay, very important. Step 4 is how to grab your trading bonuses, which they're going to trade on your behalf, okay. Once you watch this, once you watch this one here, the 5th step is number 5, is add your additional contract to the account. I've done a video on this. It's up here and also down here. Very important you do not skip the videos, okay. And then there's a little brief description of the bonuses, okay. That's the COO, Dennis. I can't pronounce his last name, but it's we call him as Dennis. But anyway, once you watch the information here, what Dennis is saying, you can grab your bonuses. You click on this button here, and it'll bring you to a hub, okay, to grab your bonuses. All right, I've done a video on this, which is explained here. Okay, so please do not skip the videos. Also, once you made a deposit, please add yourself to our Telegram group. We have a nice little community here, and there are rules. Please do not spam, and please do not side recruit. Obviously, if you're building another business, please do not mention it in the Telegram, and do not side recruit, otherwise you'll just get removed. All right. And meanwhile, very important, watch all the videos. Please do not skip. Okay, because a lot of people do skip and they always ask questions, and I always say, look, it's in the videos. Please, very important, you watch all this. Step 1 is click on this take action button. Step 2, watch this main webinar video. Step 3, how to get started. And step 4, how to grab your bonuses and how to allocate your bonuses with these codes here. Watch the video, very important. And then a little video down here, just with the CEO, Dennis, telling you what the bonuses are for and how you're going to get them. Okay, all right. Big button here, click on that and you grab your bonuses. Only if you made $150 deposit. If you do struggle, please reach out to me. My information is here, right at the top here. You can contact me anytime you like, and we can arrange a Zoom call. I can send you a link and we'll do a one-to-one Zoom, no problem. Okay, guys? Meanwhile, have a great day, and any questions and the answers, please reach out to me here. All right? Have a great day.